Hello guys, welcome back. Time for another Leetcode. This time we're solving Leetcode number 1490, clone N-ary 3. This one is another medium level question. Let's deep dive. Given a root of an N-ary 3, return a deep copy, which means a clone. We should not modify the original tree, but we need to clone it of a new tree. Each node of the N-ary tree contains a value, it's an integer, and a list of nodes, which are the children. There is an example here, node, value, and a list of children. So they give us the representation, which is the array based, and that's the first example here. On the graphical example, we have root node 1, which has 3 children, 3, 2, 1. Node number 3 has 2 children. And yeah, so the output must be equals because we are cloning, so the values must be the same, but with another references. Example number 2, it's a bigger tree. Yeah, same result. Okay, let's go to the code. Let me leave the tree here. Yeah. Again, we're going to use DFS for solving our problem. First thing is to take a look if they are giving us a no input. If so, then we should do nothing. Next step is to call our DFS function. It's going to be our magical function that is going to do work for us. Let's code now our DFS function. First thing is to finish our recursion. If root is null, then we return null. And then, for example, we are in the first node here. We have to start cloning our node. So node new root equals to new node root.value, and we have to return that new root from our recursion. Now we have to handle the children, so we can have multiple children. So for node child in root.children, for each one of them, we're gonna say new root dot children dot add DFS of child, because remember that we have to clone the value, and we also need to add the children as well. So we're just going down to the recursion here, asking, okay, now please clone this child, and once it returns, we just add to the new root list of children. Okay, it's pretty simple. Let's try running our code and see if there is any typos or mistakes. So it works fine. Again, we are going walking the tree. First node, let me clean that one. So I have this node here, which is the first node. We clone, then we go through its children. For each child, we call DFS. That's gonna clone that node and return the clone, so we can add the clone to our list of children. Okay, now let's try running our code, submit, and see if that's gonna pass all test cases. Yeah, it does. So as you guys can see, I've been using the same technique for DFS, and that enabled me to solve many similar problems. Okay, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel as well. And if you have any suggestions or anything else, just write on the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.